This video demonstrates the initial detector setup and login into the drive application. Generally, your drive system has been fully factory staged, but if the detector has not been initialized or is turned off, the drive login attempt will fail. To initialize the detector, open the service icon and execute the setup. Log in with the service username and password to open the setup. Note in this example, the system control unit, the SCU, is off and the detector tethered cable is disconnected, so we don't see communication with either. Once I power on the SCU and press the refresh, communication is established with the SCU. But not until attaching the tethered cable to the detector do we see full connection established for both. The next button brings you to the detector calibration, and under the system config is where you set your detector for either hardwired trigger mode required for your quantum generator integration or the automatic exposure mode for bundling with some other manufacturer's generator. Note also the exposure section should be set for 800 milliseconds. Under the offset calibration, instead of a field calibration, you'll see me pointing to the detector factory calibration for pre and post offset. Similarly, for defect calibration, pointing to a factory calibration. And finally, for gain calibration. Under the detector config, you have options for image orientation, and be sure to set your configuration. Once finished with the setup, now we are ready to log in to the drive application.